Hi everyone, welcome to the Droigy channel. In today's video, we will address the issue of Android phone GPS not working. Android phones are equipped with internal GPS antennas that allow you to check your real-time location at any time. For instance, when you are in a foreign country, the GPS function enables precise location tracking and updates the local time. If your Android phone's GPS isn't working, it can be problematic, especially for those relying on GPS while driving. To improve positioning accuracy or fix GPS issues, please watch this video carefully and try all the methods shown. This video applies to phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Why might an Android phone's GPS fail to work? Here are some common causes. 1. Poor signal environment. Locations such as tunnels, forests, or areas with weak coverage can block the signal. 2. Power saving mode or airplane mode. These can restrict GNSS performance. 3. Outdated apps or software bugs. These can lead to inaccurate location data. 4. Hardware failure. A damaged GPS antenna, water damage, or dropping the phone can all affect GPS functionality. These are the common reasons why Android phone GPS might stop working. Now, let's dive deeper and explore some solutions. Here are the fixes for Android phone GPS issues. Please watch carefully and try each method one by one. We believe the methods in this video will help you resolve the problem. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment telling us which method worked for you. Method 1. Ensure a good signal environment. Check if you are currently in a tunnel, underground, in a forest, or in another area with poor signal reception. It is not surprising for GPS issues to occur in such locations. If you are in one of these areas, move to an open outdoor space with a clear view of the sky to improve signal reception. Method 2. Turn off power saving mode and airplane mode. As mentioned earlier, enabling power saving mode or airplane mode can restrict GNSS performance, potentially causing GPS issues. Therefore, check if these modes are turned on. If they are, turn them off immediately and then test the GPS function to see if it is working correctly. If not, please try the next method. Method 3 is to restart your Android phone. Restarting your Android phone is a good troubleshooting step for any issue, including GPS malfunctions. A temporary system glitch might be causing the problem, and restarting the phone is the best way to resolve such glitches. Plus, this won't delete any of your data. Follow these steps to restart your phone. Press and hold the power button on the side of the phone until the restart icon appears. Tap the restart icon on the screen to reboot the device. Your Android device will then begin the restart process. Simply wait for it to finish, then check if the GPS function is working properly again. Method 4 is to update the app. If you are experiencing GPS issues while using a navigation app, consider whether the app is outdated. Outdated apps can sometimes cause GPS malfunctions. Therefore, try updating the app to fix the problem. Go to the Play Store, find the app, and check for available updates. If one is available, update it immediately. If an outdated app was the cause, updating it should resolve the issue. Method 5 is to perform a software update. System glitches or outdated software can also cause GPS issues. To fix this, ensure your software is up to date. This is easy to do, just follow these steps. To update the software, open your phone's settings, scroll down, and select Software Update. Your phone will check for pending updates. If any are found, download and install them immediately. Once the update is complete, the GPS issue should be resolved. Method 6 is to check the hardware. If none of the above methods fix the GPS issue, the problem might be hardware related, such as a damaged GPS antenna or damage caused by water exposure or a drop. In this case, take your phone to an authorized service center so professionals can inspect it and diagnose the problem. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it, and let us know in the comments which method worked for you. Feel free to share any suggestions or feedback on how we can improve. Thanks, and good luck.